What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're just going to review the cases that Poetic was kind enough to send me over for the OnePlus 12, because as you know, there are not a lot of case companies making cases for the OnePlus 12, but you do have Poetic and some other companies making cases for the OnePlus 12. And they were kind enough to send me out two. So we do have the Poetic Guardian, and we also have the Poetic Revolution. They sent me out black in both variants. But first, let's go over the Poetic Guardian. So I am going to let you know that these did come with a front housing that had a screen protector in the front, but I do not typically like to use that, so that is why you do not see those on here, and that is why these are already taken out of the box, because anytime I get product from a company, if it's a case, I do like to inspect it first before I do it on video. But pretty much this they both will cost you $20.95. As you can see, it says new. It's for the OnePlus 12. So let's go into the Poetic Guardian. The Poetic Guardian has MagSafe capability. This does come in 4 different colors. So I have the black one right now. As you can see, you can also get it in that bluish color, a greenish looking color, and this yellow, and this pink grayish looking color. I'm kind of glad they gave me the black one. I really am, because black goes with everything. But pretty much you just want to place the front on like so, then you want to pick up the back, place the back on like so. And this is the look that you will be getting if you have this case installed. So you do get a nice bump on a nice lip on the front. So if you place it flat down on the table, you will not have anything to worry about. You do get access to your button, the power button, nice and clicky, as you can see. Then you have access to your volume up and down buttons. They are nice and clicky. You have ridges here for grip protection. Then up at the top here, you have your cutouts, because you do know this does have an IR blaster, so there's cutouts for that. At the bottom here, you do get access to your charging cable, but I like that it is covered, so you do not have to worry about dust getting in your cable. Then on this side, this is your alert slider switch, whatever you want to call it. I forgot what they call it, but it's there. You can put it on silent, vibrate, or ring at any given time. And I like that it's right there, so I have access to hitting it when I need to. Coming back here, you do get a nice big cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about back there. Then you also get your MagSafe ring. So now let's pull over and bring up my MagSafe wireless charging and let you see that it is wireless charging MagSafe, because it has that capability. So that was the Guardian. So now let's go on over to the Revolution. So I'm just going to take this case off like so. And Poetic does make nice quality cases, so I do enjoy being able to get their cases and review them and use them on a daily basis with my smartphones. So now let's go over to the Revolution. So with this one, you do only get 3 different colors. You get a black, which is what I have here. You get that blue looking color. That's nice. And then you get the pinkish gray looking color. And once again, I am very glad that they only sent me over the black. So this one is $20.95. Also, this one has the belt clip. Not the belt clip. This one has the kickstand, so you can watch videos and do what you need to do. This one does not have MagSafe capability, and I'm not sure if you can still do wireless charging with it, but bear with me and we will check it out in a minute here. I messed something up. Let me fix it. Just give me a minute. One of the clips came out. Okay, so now this one also did come with a front screen protector too. You got one with and without, but like I said, I don't use them, so that is why you do not see it right now. Let me pull back up the picture. Okay, let's see here. So this is what it looks like. So first you want to get the front on, then you want to come here and make sure everything snaps up with the grooves. And you will be good to go. Let me get this locked up right here. Kind of messed that up. Okay. Okay, so this is the look that you're going to get with the Revolution. Pretty much it's the same look, but this is a lot more sturdier. But anyways, you do get a nice deep lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. No problem. You do get all your buttons and cutouts. Volume button, power button, nice and clicky. Volume up and down button, nice and clicky, as you can see. Down here at the bottom, you do get your cutouts that you are supposed to have. It has that door to cover up your charging cable, so you do not have to worry about dust getting in there. Over here, you have access to the slider for silence and ring. As you can see, that's nice. At the top here, you have the cutouts that you are supposed to have. On the back here, you do have a nice deep cutout for the camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have nothing to worry about. You do get the kickstand, like I said. You can use it at this angle here, or you can use it like this to watch your videos and movies and so on and so on. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. Like I said, I do like what they have, Poetic has to offer. I don't know if you can do wireless charging, but let's see here. It looks like you cannot do wireless charging with the Revolution because this is blocking it for wireless charging. So if you have the Revolution case, you will have to just use a USB-C charging cable. I will drop a link to where you can pick both of these cases up for yourself. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.